Hi everyone! You like to know how to make this silky smooth mayonnaise sauce at home? Let's go! Welcome back to the Purple Box. The Purple Box is all about healthy food which are easy to prepare. This exotic mayonnaise sauce takes 5 minutes or maybe less to make it. Just go on with it. Let's start. I will tell you the ingredients right now, but you don't need to bother. At the end, I will give you a list of it. You can take a screenshot of that. We need 2 eggs, 2.5 cups of oil. I have used sunflower oil here, but usually I use olive oil. You can use any minimum scented or unscented white oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 black olives, a small bunch of fresh parsley leaves. Take the 2 eggs on a tall jar and mix the egg for few seconds. Then add the lemon juice and the salt. And then with the hand blender, mix everything once again. At this stage, it will be great if someone helps you in pouring the oil. Take the oil, start the blender and gradually ask the person to pour the oil. This time I asked my husband to do the same. He did a great job. You keep running the blender or else the oil and the sauce will separate itself, which will be very difficult for you to blend afterwards. The movement of the blender is very important. Look how I am doing it. It's an up and down circular motion. This is the stage where it will be decided if the mayonnaise sauce is good or bad. Now gently pour the rest of the oil and keep blending the sauce in the motion that I have showed. Once it will go horizontal, clockwise and a bit of anti-clockwise, and then up and down circular motion. The whole thing about this sauce is about the movement and the motion of the blender. Otherwise it's a very simple thing, but if you can't do it rightly, the sauce will not happen. Yoo-hoo, the sauce is made. I know it, but how do you check it? Very simple. Scoop out a small portion of this silky smooth sauce with a spoon and try to pour it back. When it doesn't pour back easily, you know the sauce is made. And see, the structure of the sauce doesn't change. I just love this silky texture of this sauce. So now you know the perfect silky mayonnaise sauce is ready at home. I'm showing you the texture of the sauce again. This is very important because there's nothing big deal in this preparation. It is all about the way you blend the egg with the oil. The right movement of the blender is everything that makes this sauce. Well, now it's time for us to make this sauce exotic. Gradually slide in the chopped parsley and the sliced olives. Now with a spatula, fold in the olives and the chopped parsley leaves. Do not rush with this process. Softly keep repeating the folding movement. It should be 180 to 270 degrees maximum and then fold it back again. It looks like it's not a big deal about making mayonnaise sauce. It looks very easy, but let me just tell you, it needs a lot of skill. Soft skill and the right movement of the blender and the spatula to get this smooth and silky textured mayonnaise sauce. You can store the mayonnaise in the refrigerator for at least 2 weeks in a closed jar. Let's quickly check out the ingredients. You can take a screenshot of this for further reference. So here we are with a perfect silky smooth exotic mayonnaise sauce. You can simply have it as a spread or use it in a salad or any way you want to have it. Don't forget to like and comment in this video. And of course, subscribe and share our channel, The Purple Box, to check out more exciting videos. Bye.